may know, when you search up slime recipes, they don't always work. But this recipe is 100% guaranteed to work and you'll be able to make your own homemade slime. So to make your slime, these are the ingredients you will need to make normal and fluffy slime. Some white PVA glue, some shaving foam, laundry starch, and any food colouring of your choice. All of these products can be found at your local store, supermarket, or online, for an example, Amazon. Today, we'll be using a mixing bowl, half a cup filled with glue, some warm water in a jug, a selection of food colouring of your choice, and some laundry starch. To make our activator, we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of laundry starch into our warm water. So now we have added all of our glue and our food and half a teaspoon of food colouring, and we've mixed it in. So now we'll start to be adding our activator, 2 teaspoons at a time. And then you'll start to mix that in. As you'll see while you're mixing it in, it will start to slowly get thicker and thicker. You can see it's starting to form into slime and it will start feeling a bit more stiff. Sometimes this may take a very long time, but don't worry, in the end, even if you have to add in quite a lot of activator, it will work. As you can see, it's starting to attach to itself. It's starting to slowly come off of the bowl. Now we're just going to be adding in a little bit more activator because we don't want to add in too much activator, or else the slime won't turn into slime. It will be putty. As you can see, the slime is starting to clean itself off the bowl. There. Now when this is happening, you're just going to feel it and see if it sticks to your finger. If it sticks to your finger, you just need to add a bit more activator. So Chantal, activator please. And then you're going to keep on using the finger poking method till you feel your slime is in the texture it's supposed to be. And it saves you from getting your hands messy. As you can see, the slime is starting to not stick to me. When your slime gets to this point where it's not as sticky, you're going to start getting your hand in there and kneading it. But if it's still a bit more sticky, you just need to add in a bit more of your activator. But try not to add too much. At this point, your slime is basically finished, but you can just add as much activator as you want till the slime's the texture that you want it to be. So this is how your slime should look like when it's finished. Nice and stretchy. But if you're still not happy with it, you can add more of your activator or more glue. If your your slime doesn't stretch and just break straight away, all you have to do is add a bit more glue to help it loosen up. But then if it's too gloopy, you just add in more activator. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you've been able to make slime. Bye!